Welcome back, guys, and on this episode I'll be showing you the XC engine bay. I've been slack at making videos on this. I'll put some photos up of what I've done to the engine bay so you can see what it's like over the time period of me not making videos for a couple months on this because I've been slack. So here's the photos now. Hopefully those photos shows how much work I've put into this engine bay to make it all smooth and look nice. So this is what it looks like. I have been putting stuff on here and there, so it is very smooth. I've put the shocky tower mounts on. I've put the billet bonnet adjusters on. I've put the ID tags on, and I'm also in the process of changing the engine bay from ugly fuel lines to these nice looking AMPs. So that's the engine fuel. That is the nitrous fuel feed, and that is the nitrous fuel return back to the tank. So the AM fittings are going to run from this hard line up. So I have to cut it off a bit so there's enough fuel line. And on this side, this top one is the feed, and the bottom one is return. So there's two lines there. No, it is close to the tyre, but I have had the car on full lock, but it doesn't hit, so which is good. And I've also polished all these bolts up, so I'll put a video of that up here as well, photo. Other than that, I haven't done much more, but I've got engine mounts ready to go. They're all cleaned up, ready. The engine is currently getting built. I'll put a photo of that sneakily in this video somewhere. I'm going to put the booster in. I'm going to repaint that black, and then I'm going to feed all the wiring through. I have retaped and fixed all the wiring so it doesn't look all messy. I was going to hide it, but I decided not to So I'm just going to run it back to where it was, so factory over the shocky tower and all that. So yeah. So I've got still some more goodies on the way. I need to buy some Dash 8 Teflon fuel line Raceworks stuff for those fuel lines to connect up to. I've got the straight hose end lines already. I just need the hose. I have ordered a set of Cowtrack style Gazzard Brother traction bars for this, as this has the old slapper traction bars on it from like the 80s, so I want to change them up. So then the traction bars that are on it now will be going on onto a mate's car, so he wants them. So, and that's it. I think I've covered everything. If you liked what you saw, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one.